Hey guys, what's going on? Lucky here. Need to move some cars around because the GTR is coming back. It's a car that I let a friend store here, and I'm going to put it up where the yellow wagon is right there. And continuing to clean things up around here. Like I said, gone for a couple of weeks on power tour and doing the studio. So now I'm back at the shop. Tons of progress on this. Still have a few things left to do. Drove it yesterday for the first time. It was a nice drive. I guess I can give you guys a little peek. What's going on with Dan's 66. So 396 car. Looks carbureted. Looks like a Survivor. That is not a carburetor. That is fuel injected under there. That fuel pump does nothing, except for a line goes in and out of it. So it looks relatively stock. Power disc brakes, tubular control arms, power steering, new radiator. Yeah, total driver. I'm gonna take out that the windshield wiper, put in the Detroit speed with delay. I got a lot of hours getting this front end lined up, and it is lined up pretty decent. I'm pretty happy with that. But you know what? This is first thing in the morning, fuel injection. Let's see how this works. Well, I got some stuff on here on the floor. What was I hooking up yesterday? Oh yeah, blinkers. Had to go hunt down glass fuses. Next, I want to do the horn. Fuel pump. I don't really think we can beat that right there. Nice. Yeah, I don't have a lot of stuff left to do. Front kicks, I gotta put the wind pieces in, then the wind lace pieces on the edge right there. Glove box door. Some rear window cranks, plug in that door pin. Just keep throwing little parts at it. Hook up the tack. But other than that, things are coming right along. So not original paint, but it is original color. Some touch-up spots, but you can't really tell. Did a really good job on it. Wish my car looked this nice. So yeah, this thing should be heading back to Colorado here pretty soon. Let's go inside, see what's left. I moved that back here because I have some cabinet shop neighbors that are super inconsiderate. They think it's fun to just take all the cabinet shop dust and just blow it down the alley. Specifically when people pull nice cars out. Not just me, absolutely everybody in the complex gets dusted by those guys. Anyway, let me clean some things up here and make room for the GTR. Okay, more to come. I'm gonna start doing videos that on and off throughout the day, just typical routine, see how that works out. Okay, after taking the vehicle for a spin, taking the 66 for a little drive, came back, parked it for a few minutes, and noticed this little greasy substance right here. This is me backing out for another shakedown run, and that was to lunch. I had some delicious tacos. However, the theory behind shakedown runs is for you to find any issues before the customer gets the car back. It's working out perfectly. The issue I found, actually when I was driving the car, I knew something was up with the rear end. I've already talked to the customer. I'm gonna pull the rear end apart and get new bearings, new seals, probably a ring and pinion. Make sure it's got a pause unit. If not, do it like an Eaton True Track or something. Something streetable, but can take a little bit of a beating. It looks all new, but it is not. And I look at the tire right here, and there's tons of fluid on it. I was thinking, okay, brake fluid, but it's not. It's gear oil, and just from driving it. So it probably has a bad bearing in it. It does make a crazy, weird noise. Right now, Mason is putting in a couple, where's Mason? There he is, Santa. Angry Santa is putting in a, what is that light? It doesn't adjust the light correctly. I don't know. Either way, Mason is putting a couple more bolts in the transcross. Remember, we just adjusted the e-brake. All the inside is put together, tack is hooked up. Absolutely everything is done on this vehicle with the exception of the rear differential. And yeah. That's it. So the next video you're gonna see of this car is probably gonna be some spirited acceleration on a private course someplace in Mexico, and then loading it on a trailer to send it back to Colorado. Yeah, that's it. See you guys in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe, share, like, leave some comments if you're building something cool like this. Check me out on social media. I'm Mobile Tech Lucky on all the platforms. Tag me, post some pictures and tag me so I can check them out too. That's it. See you guys later. Stay safe.